Welcome everyone. My name is Olivia Tatara, aka OAT, and right here we're going to do a segment for Gung Gung Fu and also the Weightless Gym. So who is this for? This is for everyone, whether you're a child, an adult, or an elderly person. Everyone who is living has the ability to experience this. So Gung Gung Fu involves different types of internal movement, self-defense, energy, art, acupressure, and many different things to not only enhance your physical, but also your spiritual, your mental, your emotional, and open the heart, open up your life to see the miracles in every day. So today we are going to do an aura cleanse in life. And this aura cleanse is to understand beyond a religion, but understanding the body. Understanding that you're a physical body, you're an energetic being, you're a soul, you're a spiritual being. There are many souls within. So a big understanding of coming back to yourself is to understand you are the creator of your own destiny. So these movements are meant for everyone, healers, practitioners. If you're a martial artist, we welcome everyone, and every practice can enhance. As you enhance yourself, different things in life shift. Money, relationships, love, self-love, and health. We're not doctors or psychiatrists, but these movements can enhance you. So in this one, we're going to do an aura cleanse because you have a morphic field, you have an auric field, you have a heart, you have a brain, you have a chi energy in the whole body, and you also have the outside world. So within this, you're going to go through the movements with the hands and the feet and aligning every part of you, because in the world and the influences in the world, co-workers, family, siblings, loved ones, spouses, friends, people you just meet along the road. You have to understand energy. You have the power to clear yourself. Just begin. Just watch me and follow in the movements. I'm not going to be doing much talking because this is going to be a flow in energy. As you watch me, it flows, clears the space, no matter right now or in the future. As you do it for you, you clear your energy and you clear your space. So let's begin again. It has already begun. So we're just going to get in tune with the space around, the field around me, allowing the spine. Again, these movements are for everyone. Cleansing the field around your body like 3-4 inches above, and moving the energy and just allowing it to flow. Really bringing in the energy now from the divine after you clear the body and bring it down to the earth. So really just like a backstroke. Bend the knees a little bit. Now open wide. Ah, ha, ha, ha. And then open. This is for the heart open. Ah, ha, ha, ha. Ah, ha, ha, ha. Feet shoulder width apart and just moving the energy like a flow in the middle and up. Harmony to the hands, harmony to the feet. Love everywhere. Now just up, out. Now, when the field is clear and you understand the influences, you always have the power to, even on the skin you brush it off, but the physical body is different from the morphic and auric field. It's not seen through a gift, through this gift. So you have to make sure you understand the movement of the bounce. Every single thing matters. Every part of your body matters. So now we're going to build the strength. You're going to stand up nice and tall. You're going to bring everything in here. Because after you clear, you have to make sure that you're very strong to go into the next moment, the next opportunity in your career, in your love, in your life. So let's just bring this in here. We're going to go like this. And let it settle. Let's go back here. And you bring it in. Allowing the strength to become whatever you need. Compassion in the heart is also beautiful strength. So now going in here. Swimming in the universe. Go into the hands together on the heart. Open it up. I thank you so much. You can always clear your auric field by coming back to this video. As you watch me, it clears. And you also clear yourself. Stay tuned for more Gung, Gung Fu, and Weightless Gym. This video is here because there's a lot of people that are awakening, that need to flow their energy, going through different things, sicknesses of the body, sicknesses of the mind, and also people that are being misled. It's up to you to take responsibility for your life and clear your own energy. Cut the cords. Cut the attachments in your life. I'm OAT. Thank you so much. We love you.